Welcome to this presentation of some of the funerary monuments currently housed in the lapidarium of the DEVA Museum of Dacian and Roman Civilization. This video is also the fifth in a series of 5 videos based on the work done during the photogrammetry workshop pilot at DEVA Museum in 2021. This is a depiction of a funeral stela. On it is a medallion within which is a depiction of what appears to be a child or a young man. This is likely the person to whom this monument is dedicated, and therefore is the deceased person. This is a depiction of a funerary lion. The lion was often placed near funeral plots to protect them, but also to demonstrate the wealth of the family who was buried in the plot. Ancient representations of lions are usually not based on lions at all, but on large dogs or cats, with which most ancient artists were more familiar. This is another funeral stela, this time depicting a mother, father, and 2 children. While the majority burial rite was cremation for the Romans, burial was used especially in children, less often in adults, and more often for those who came from the East who were under the influence of Eastern rituals. Stelas also sometimes contained a few words about the deceased or about the family dedicating the monument. This is a funeral idicula found nearly complete. The funeral idicula was a niche-shaped monument which usually had the deceased personal data inscribed on the pedestal. The roof was sometimes adorned with crowns consisting of funerary lions or pine cones. The side walls of a funerary idicula could be decorated with sculptures on their inner or outer faces, while the primary stele would be at the back and may or may not have had an inscription. The statuary in this presentation was photographed by a team of students in archaeotech